Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you what it would look like if you were to invest $200 a month into a savings account. The average savings account right now yields only about 0.6%. So that's not even one whole percent. So we're going to say 0.6%. At the end of 5 years, you would have put in $12,000. That'll give you $12,184 and some change. Let's see what happens when you change that to 10 years. Click calculate. You've invested $24,000 of your own money. You have $24,700 and some change. Let's see, in 15 years, still $200. You put in $36,000. You have about $37,000. Let's jump to 20 years. You've invested $48,000 and now you have about $51,000. 25 years, still $200 a month. You put in $60,000. Now you have 64, almost $65,000. And 30 years, investing into a savings account, $200 a month. You've invested $72,000 and you now have $78,000, which is pretty pathetic. If you want to see a side-by-side comparison of investing in the stock market compared to investing in your savings account, check out the next video.